Good morning, students. In today's class, we will be discussing round table conferences. There were three round table conferences, 1930, 1931 and 1932. All were there in London. After the Simon Commission, which was boycotted by all the Indians, Gandhiji CDM, but its report was published during this CDM movement. During that time, British Prime Minister Ramsay MacDonald he called for a roundtable conference in London. The main objective of the first roundtable conference was to discuss the recommendations of the report of Simon Commission. But it was a failure. There were lots of reasons for its failure, like non-participation of Congress leaders. The Congress leaders did not participate into this. No agreement could be taken out. Leaders of the Muslim League and few princely states and few representatives of various parties have participated. So we can say the first roundtable conference was failure. Now British they requested Gandhiji to discuss openly with Viceroy Lord Irwin, who wanted to put an end to the CDM or civil disobedience movement launched by Gandhiji during that time period. After the opposition also, Gandhiji and Lord Irwin came on an agreement and Gandhi-Irwin Pact was signed in 1931, passed by Congress on 6th March 1931. So Gandhiji agreed to attend second roundtable conference and he went to take part into it. With him, it was also attended by Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya and Sarojini Naidu. Gandhiji demanded for a responsible government and independence in India. During that time only, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar also put the demand of Harijans to fight as a separate group in elections to get better political representation. But Gandhiji did not like it. He returned back to India without any success of this roundtable conference and he relaunched CDM movement. But during that time only, the British they announced on 16th August 1932 the communal awards to use his policy divide and rule. Gandhiji did not like this communal award and he fasted for 6 days as a protest in Yerwada jail. So because of that, Pune Pact was signed between Gandhiji and B.R. Ambedkar. Because of this Pune Pact, it was agreed that the low caste people will be able to get some reservations and will not ask for separate electorate. Third roundtable conference was also conducted in 1932, but INC did not join it. So British finally passed the Government of India Act 1935. So these were the three roundtable conferences which were conducted in London. All the three were failure. Remaining in next class.